Hello everyone, can you hear me? I'm testing the sound. Can anybody hear me? Testing, testing the sound. Hello, testing. I'm testing the sound. Put something in the chat if you can hear me. Uh, all right. I'm not sure if it's working. I think you should be able to hear me now, right? Yeah, should be good. Okay, so all right. So if it works, then I think we can continue. But yeah. So I was going to show you this very amazing app that is on Oculus Quest. It's very good. It's called I think the name has to be somewhere around here. I forgot. It's I think V Virtual or something like that. Um, well, actually, we can go check. Let's see. We can just go back. Because why not? Let's see. Can we go back here? Let me see. So the thing is, oh, this just sets, this resets the view. Okay. Oh, there you go. All right. So this app is called V Spatial. It's actually very interesting, very useful, I think, for VR. This kind of stuff is getting more sophisticated as time goes by, and it's interesting to explore it and to see what it is all about. So, okay, well, if you have anything in particular that you want to take a look at, I have a bunch of apps here. For example, all of this stuff that I downloaded are new. We can check some of this out. Let's go to, for example, I'm going to show you, for example, the first steps. So like if you first buy Oculus Quest, you'll find like you'll find a hello, can you hear me? Okay. Yeah, so take a look at this. I'm not sure if you can hear the sound though. That's what I'm trying to see. I want to test if the sound of the Oculus thingy is working. Um, Not sure how to get the sound out there for the screen because I can hear the sound, right? Like if there's some sort of there is a like some sort of speaker here, and I can hear it, right? But I'm not sure if you can hear it. So that's what I need to test. Okay, so just testing here. Well, let's see. Yeah, I just want to show you this. I mean, it's very, very cool. I really enjoy this. So now let's just take a look at the introduction. Let's do the tutorial. All right. Let's see. Okay, it seems like I don't have enough space here. I'm gonna have to back up a little bit. All right. They're just saying like, okay, just press your buttons. Okay. Um. What? Oh, okay. This one's. All right. Okay. So use the index fingers to squeeze the triggers. Okay. So these are the grips. You know, the intro is really really cool because it can introduce you to it, can can I teach you how to work around with this? Alright, so make a fist and lift the index finger. Okay. Alright, so you're just gonna press this button. Alright, there you go. And you can throw it, that's really cool. I wonder if the physics here is the same as the physics in real life. Okay, let's see. They tell me you can play with some stuff. I mean, I'm pretty sure that the equations that govern the physics here should be about the same, right? The laws of physics here, I mean, I'm not gonna take it for granted. You'll have to like carry out experiments and that kind of stuff. But not sure. Let's see. Probably it's probably been coded before with anything that has to do with those equations, kinematics, that kind of stuff, classical mechanics. Uh, let's see. Okay, we can throw this stuff around. No, let's see if we can throw this airplane. I mean, it's unbelievable, right? Unbelievable how the mechanics works. Looks very realistic. Okay, squeeze the trigger to go. Yeah, so it's like a controller. I guess it's some sort of controller, right? Yeah, it's just moves this little. Um, okay. I think you're supposed to press this button. Yeah, this one moves it, and then you can change the direction like that. Of course, it didn't stop moving completely. I think you can hit it. It's kind of cool. All right, here are some rockets. Let's give it a pull. All right, so the rocket just kept going up. Very cool. Yeah, so this is usually what you'll find first. Um, when you get this kind of stuff. So it's very cool. I recommend it. I really don't care about there's like privacy concerns and stuff like that going on, but nobody really cares. Uh, so, but yeah, so um, this is the introduction. So that's the introduction to Oculus Quest, and there is really like there's a bunch of apps that you can download here, particularly that the what do you call it, the VR, the V Space, V Spatial is what it's called, I think. Yeah, V Spatial is very cool actually. Yeah, I can actually use like manipulate my computer there, which is quite impressive, quite impressive that you can actually do that. So um, it's something to think about. What you can use this, just like anything, any tools, you can use them for good, you can use them for bad. I mean, I really like the way that you can teach, right, using virtual reality. Because if you're able to teach using virtual reality, I mean, it would be like a completely different experience. So this is really, it really seems like it's still in development, right? It's nothing like too advanced, not extremely complex or uh, useful for example, for sciences yet. Because really, there's only a few applications that really uh, help you learn, like for example, mathematics, for example, calculus. In order to do that, I think I made a video about that, but you have to actually plug in your VR headset into the computer, so that way uh, you can actually essentially learn calculus in 3 dimensions. Um, but it has to be with Oculus Link, so you have to like plug in the Oculus Link into the laptop. So that's the only downside. But you have to plug in the cable, right? I think I'm not sure what it's called, but it's like a USB cable, and then there is the cable that goes to the Oculus. So that is, it's pretty cool. Well, let's see what else we can explore here. I think you can connect to other people. I really like the climb. The climb is amazing. The games here are astounding. So it is truly different experience. Something that has a lot of questions still to yet to answer. I mean, you can make your own questions. Maybe you could find the answers to those questions. Um, so let's see if we can give it a try to a couple of games or stuff like that. Let's see if it works. All right, so let's see. I think I did the tutorial already. So let's go to the bay. Let's see what happens over there. Okay, the climb it's amazing. Stamina challenge. Never run out of stamina for 2,700 extra points. So basically, this game is all about climbing, right? And it really just runs on very basic physics principles, but it still needs some, some work, right? It still needs to be developed a little more. Okay. So here is, so here are my hands, right? And if you want to chalk your hands, you're just gonna press on one of these buttons, and you're gonna like shake it. That way, it gets chalked up. All right, this is a very nice environment, very nice virtual environment, right? Very interesting. It's called the Bay. Seems like it's somewhere in Asia. It's somewhere in Asia because I see some pagodas over there, but it's probably imaginary. All right, let's go get started. I think I gotta go like this. Okay, so they say never run out of stamina. Okay, well let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna go climb this. Um, let's see. All right. Okay, so this is the checkpoint. This is the checkpoint, and I cannot run out of stamina here. So this is where you should get choked up, right? You just shake it, and then you automatically get choked up. You see that red line over there? What that means is that you're running out of stamina. Okay, so that you're running out of stamina. And over here on this clock, I think it tells you the time that has passed. Um, and the blue stripe is your like I guess your stamina. Like the blue one is the stamina, and then the white one is kind of like the health, I guess. I'm not sure what would be the physical interpretation here. Okay. Oh, look at this one. Well, I mean, really, it doesn't matter what kind of um, what kind of you know I guess way you get into the rocks, because if you hook on anything that is white like this, it really doesn't matter, right? It's not hard, right? It's not like in real life when you're actually climbing, it's actually difficult. So here is easy, right? Because you're just pulling your hands up, and that's all you're really doing, right? Um, all right, so let's see, maybe we could go this way, or you could also go that way. I mean, let's just go this way, I guess. Okay, this one is pretty interesting. You actually get some chills if you look down a little bit, kind of feels like you're actually climbing, but it's not quite because you're actually not getting tired, right? The stamina is measured by this little bar, but it's not by the stamina of your hands. So you shake it a little bit, you get choked up, and there you go. Then you can keep on going without falling, right? The chalk increases the friction. Okay, I think we got good stamina to keep going. Yeah, let's see. This one is a little bit unrealistic because I wouldn't have done this myself. It's very difficult, right? All right, where's the top? It seems like there's no top here. All right. Oh, isn't that the top? I think that's the top, right? Or maybe the A? Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Okay. So I think maybe over here. Oh, you see, like when it tells you, like when it shows you this thing, it means that you're running out of chalk. So you gotta chuck it up. Yeah, just like that. You gotta chuck it up. And then you just keep on going. Oh, I don't think I can get that, but you got it. There you go, and you just keep on going, right? Well, how nice that is, right? Okay, so let's see. I think I gotta go to the green one. Um, all right. I think I'm gonna have to jump here. I don't know. Oh, okay. That was kind of like a difficult one. Okay. So you don't have to really do anything with this. It's just a save point. It doesn't really work. Like you don't put the rope on it or anything. I mean, it doesn't do anything at all. So it's not a big deal. All right, let's get choked up. I mean, realistically, you would actually do it here. Like there should be something over there, right? Like that would be a more realistic, I guess, way to put it. Let's see. That's just a suggestion for the game to improve. Where's the banner? That's the banner. What do I have to do here? Okay. Well, this one is not too difficult. I really don't know what to do here. Um, that's a checkpoint, I think. Yeah, but where do we go next? Not clue. Oh, that's it. Yeah, I think it. Oh, okay. Here you go. There you go. Okay. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. You can get checked out. Very nice. So this game is pretty interesting, right? Very interesting game. Let's see what else is in here. You can check the games over here at the store. Um, there is really just full, you know, list of games that you can take a look at. And most of them, I guess, are not really pleasing to me. I really would like to see more STEM related stuff. Yeah, related to mathematics, related to physics. What is this? Corvus Reborn? I don't know clue about that. Let's see. Yeah, there's really a lot of games here that you can play. So some of them, of course, are going to cost you some, but really the experience is priceless. It's priceless. So yeah, I guess that's a pretty good overview of what you can do with this. Um, you know, let's see. There's also okay, it's just like a completely different environment. It's just like your phone, but in 3 dimensions. So it's just the third dimension, right? That makes the experience so interesting. All right, all right, guys. So I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna test the sound and see what happened to the sound because kind of didn't work. Oh, something's wrong here. I see. Oh, yeah, I'm not casting it. I'm not casting it anymore. All right, I think it should be good now. Not sure what happened. Not sure. It says it's disconnected. Oh, I think it should be good now. But yeah, no internet. What do you mean? I do have internet. Yeah, I have internet. Okay, all right. That was. But yeah, so that's it for today. I mean, I hope you liked it. Um, I hope to see you sometime soon. I'll keep making some interesting videos about VR. Keep exploring. Stay curious. Oh, I have to do it like this. Yeah. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.